Where you get use?
Yes, I get use.
Well, family, I'm for welcome to the program we use. The program where the bring information come to you. I don't say you within also outside this country you want to take part, and the only way for do it.
And for watch the television, the number we see use and for text we and go on our Facebook page, drop your message, we will read all inside the program for you.
Well, it could be your voice.
My voice.
Inside the program today, we will bring on after that Service Street Bridge collapse. They don't find one day the body day under the dirty them. The family member them for the Okada rider will be involved at that collapsed bridge say nobody no see to them since we get that accident day. 71 people already alleged say they violate the COVID-19 curfew. They now on a police arm. One the way they go encroach the Leicester Peak. Well, they don't expose themselves now. Community Watch, the team go work na Ogu Farm. This and more plus other things that will bring to answer the program we use. My name na Dan Mose.
And William Wise.
Well, we'll take a break and join with sponsor.
Take your bank along with you everywhere you go. No need to stress when you don't have cash on you. With Mion FLCB Visa debit card, you're able to access your money, pay for goods and services, shop and send money online via ATM and POS devices in Sierra Leone and worldwide. It is convenient, secure and easy. SLCB, delivering value.
Well, one for start with this sad one. Usai after way the Service Street Bridge be done for done. Now they don't go pull one dead body under the dirty. Well, we man Sheku G Kamara be day part of the events they will be described for fan that dead body they don't pull. So make we see how it be look like day.
Well, me and Mr. Sine Kamara, I'm the head of burial team at the Ministry of Health and Sanitation. And since this bridge collapsed, we don't care today when on Saturday, the 19th of September 2020. We don't retrieve one of the corpses, as I can tell you so now, we don't load the corpse in the ambulance and we don't disinfect the place. And we go carry the body go to mortuary now, we call upon the general public where you know say, they may allegedly say that a person may be under that bridge, now Bokana Connaught Hospital mortuary for local, for let them go identify them. Me, they represent the Ministry of Health and Sanitation because when disaster happens, like collective responsibility. And I therefore represent the Minister of Health and Sanitation and the entire Ministry of Health and Sanitation for who we own support. Well, that's a very, 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 very pathetic for the people that live on that bridge because we call the area when a disaster-prone area. And one thing about we Sierra Leone, we always forget history and we know it's in the month slide past week. We call upon the government, let them support the SLRA, let them get them finance this time. And then quickly endorse and rehabilitate all the bridges across the country. At least now they go help for save life. And we not go wait till something happen. We say all authorities are coming, all this, that. So we know say this is a proactive government, and we know say by the grace of God, we give kudos for so Gentle because since the day this thing happened, when they alerted somebody died, Gentle group there together with another company and then they give support for make sure say they retrieve this corpse. And today now we able to see the body finally.
My name is Asumana Kone. I'm the big brother for Sheku Kane. Next step now for me and mortuary we go, but we get with uncle when our family head they call and come off foodie. So in they go meet we now, na mortuary, in they go take over everything now. Yes sir. So for me now, na mortuary we go now, we follow the body. But I don't call her now. Anyway, na in the head, we they call and come off foodie Kane. So in they go meet we now na mortuary. It's over 3 days now. All they sleep in this place, including you. when are the journalists, or they sleep here under coat, they look for this body. I really feel bad why I see my brother in this kind of condition. They suffer, they shock die like this. I see my brother in this kind of condition. So I don't feel fine, sir. I feel so bad.
Anyway, na so be, and one for bringing the family member of the Okada rider will be involved na that collapse wey happen at Service Street. Say from where that thing they be, nobody no respond to him since where the accident take place. Well, Tile Williams get the story.
Somewhere contract. Okay, sir. You know, do not it. Now we the parents and now we do everything but till up to now from the time where that thing they happen. Now we the responsible about everything. Governor put now and it.
Okay, that about in condition. What's the condition now? Because we see face bandage and all that thing. What's the problem now? We don't happen to her.
Well, then say because then do it self-panel. The result come and they tell you say in Jabodon book. But doctor not be the way they attend to her to that time, and they say past Monday before ever a doctor come for can attend to her.
Alright, so how you see her now? It look like?
Well, right now it is in critical condition.
They respond to treatment?
They only respond to treatment we responsible provide. Now they respond to her. If we not provide, they don't respond to her.
So all right now, money business now are the sponsor?
Everything about her. Now they responsible with the parents. You can only grab where you is stand with somebody before you will grab. Despite that, you know the able grab for himself.
Okay, anything happens in hips, in foot all?
No, in foot, nothing wrong with her. Now between from the head down to the neck.
9 so
yes.
In teeth then come out, anything happen?
In teeth then come out. I appeal to Papa government for let it respond to your brother, for let it come up at this critical condition here. Let them help we. We the parents there, we don't tire, but we don't tire. So now make we cry to them for let them help we, let them assist we.
Well, 71 man and woman now they help the Salone police with investigation after where the Salone police say they don't broke some COVID-19 law them way now the night curfew where they be put. Well, we man Dominic DJ Tucker be reach now the Lumley Police Division and they put this report together while be reading at the studio. From the time when COVID-19 don't come to the country, the government of Salone don't they put different measures them in place for make the COVID-19 not go kill plenty people them. Some of them measure they are. And for make plenty people they wash their hand, use face mask where they gonna public place them. And same way so, the night curfew we can start 11 o'clock na net where the government be put as someone where they're able to reduce the spread of the COVID-19 from one place to the other. This being said, plenty people can go na buy in a restaurant them for make them get good time. Where they can do the social coffee that time come. For sake of this, the Salone police where they for protect life and property don't start for old people them where they go against the COVID-19 regulation them where government be put. When at the next curfew, Abdul Mojoy, now the local units commander at the Lumley Police Division.
This morning, of course, Rolex and Intelligence, Lagunda and the Edge Club na Godwich and Laguna na Aberdeen, who they flout the COVID-19 orders and they pass the coffee orders. Then they stay there till after 11, then the party and enjoy themselves. So the AIG, Peter West, and the IG, including the Minister of Internal Affairs, we held a meeting how to guys and get down this menace. So this yesterday we meet now Lumley where the regional protect reporter and plan the operation day with all the other LC there within the Western region. And these operations now regional operations to division operations. So meet now so left now just after 1. And after long send we key we don't get all the intelligence say they are there and they are in greater number and they are partying there. We went there spontaneously. When I arrived there, with large number of men and women, including some other VIPs, we name with help for now as with the investigation to go, we get from there.
The local units commander, Semeso Talk say before they do this arrest, they don't engage with bar and restaurants owner them. For make them go to lock the term where governments don't give them for make them do them business. Still inside the 71 people them where they don't hold. ASP Samuel Sayo Conte, now the deputy police media.
Responsible for enforcing and implement the laws we believe say Salone for be very much peaceful, in which everybody for know say Yaso na fine country with everybody for day with peace, stability and tranquility. But we get bad people. Them bad people they want try the law, one try the law enforcement, then also want for try the country. We not go agree today, we not go agree tomorrow.
Plenty people think say the Salone police go continue for do that kind of raid there. Now different parts them na the country.
Well, not so up in Yanda, but one for bringing at this as the one the way they encroach Leicester Peak. Well, they don't expose themselves now. As I get the information, dash day, I'm following see what happen. Formulem, we can Leicester Peak. We can find out say some people just trespass and they can build. Well, I something like a buffer. Then they try for bill na SLBC ground. This property, Leicester Peak, na SLBC property. The Ministry of Lands, they all know about this land, na Leicester Peak. So we find out say na so happy. We just want for now just take a view of the land.
Michael Kowa, the chairman of Leicester Peak community. When this thing starts, the young Maya come up. 2 months back, they say they want to build community school. I meet the Wusa Abi na me entrance. They begin brush and chuk tick. Now say, yeah, nobody know they build school here. Yeah, na dangerous place. Already documents where we not get from education or lands, they not get them. So I move their commodity. Immediately I move their commodity. This same young man, when them Obumi, that 5 of them, were Sabi all there by them as Sabi them. They come up here, they say, the staff were assigned here from SLBC and a sergeant. Now they can't meet. Now they allow them, for let them can do short thing here. They not be done be listed. I call them. I want them. I say, man, I said this property, I said this na commission property, all radio station. Now here we have hope. Now here we life secure. They can't say and not put some here. They said that the pin a day. Prats don't give the okay. The Saji don't give the okay. Says by Obomi.
Now, Mr. Isa. Is the chairman of this community.
Chairman, you know about this school where they say they're on Cambilia?
No, me no.
You don't know?
I don't know.
But you don't see when they be like?
Yeah, as they start and I stop there.
This not start because they don't go
when
far.
they start for brush, even an open, no instruction this first. I stop there.
Me and Sergeant 636 Ugabisi Babatunde. Deployed in Leicester Peak SLBC transmission site.
How long you done there?
I done there for over 6 years. Me and one party personnel they will be strictly the top people then, not for encroach SLBC land.
Okay, sir. But what you know about this encroachment?
I don't know anything about this encroachment.
You know, is a completed science survey plan presented for your attention. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Family Muna, good day. This is not the BO-led New Direction government. This is what we do here. This is came here as ministers, the Mayor, Mr. Rex Bonava as deputy. We don't actually decide for reclaim as many government lands as possible, including lands them go institution and get. So today we are pleased to present to the Director General of the SLBC, Mr. Igbenda Kapua, a site plan to the tune of almost 8.56 acres of the SLBC land at Leicester Peak, where we don't process, and of course, the acting director of Surveillance Lands, Mr. Tabadauda, don't sign. So today, the 3rd of March, in the year of the Lord 2020, we're pleased for present this signed plan to the SLBC through our Director General.
Well, you will get ace, yeri, you will get yai, now for watch. Until you don't see for yourself, we'll go for the community watch today. The team go waka na Ogu Farm community. Nendewa Toronka, we reach na this community where people come up there. Make we hear it.
This na the Ogu Farm village where they part of Godrich inside the Western Area Rural District. This community done dey from 10 and a big community with different area and boku people them. The people them engage themselves with the garden work where they can do. This community still a try for develop. As you see, better road no dey, they no get community center, and even the government school where they can call Rural Education Committee School Ogu Farm, but most people can call them REC School Ogu Farm. Need serious attention for the pikin them we can go learn. But the head teacher, Marion R. Kamara, be explain.
They help me from my school because the school they don't so poor that the subsidy what they give me is not enough. So we are let Papa government car inside me aid for help me for make the school. Me na Kumbra and I go gladly for they see me school in this condition. We are Papa government help me for make this school. The leakage is too much na the school because school they can't open and I will so gladly for see me picking them. Then they sit down na the floor where so conducive for the picking them.
The deputy headman na Ogu Farm community as him call self been rub much on that and other developments where for take place at the community.
Coming to the senior secondary school, we will not get our community. And this primary school, where be Tessina, the we attend, we work the school, most of the parents all don't count down. And Mina Kumbra, the picking they attend at the school. And they go so feel fine, whether they come, the table and chair is not enough. Don't they place the leak that they see, don't they? The main line, as if I say, concrete, but coming to the feeder road them, none of the feeder road no good for we in this community. They facing for water problem. Cut. They cut the pipe. But if they count pipe we be say, we can aside the lane. The one that all also when they get also aside the lane and go connect through by that pipe there. So this cut will be able for stop.
I still continue to watch inside the same community and I see people them put markets na treats they sell. So I been asked one businessman by this to say wetin make them prefer for sell na treats than inside the markets. Na this it be get for say.
Now since when them don't be now, we get problem with the space not be enough. Now one, then again, most people will not be just left for go inside because if they go inside no sell. And now the authority don't try to make it work inside, but inside the market we need maintenance. So the first don't need maintenance, all on the side say we go inside. Like when you say God make the amenda what we go inside.
The headman na Ogu Farm community, Abdullah S. Kamara, self been talk on the way forward, but the community.
What leads to them, and then we not able to get somebody who they go cry to like with the honorable. Constituency 110, a problem. We please to the government, let them able help we. Let 5 years not come down, then we not able to get honorable in our community. Or we say 7 for be for talk for we at the parliament, but we not able to get the one day.
So say the government or Soriat organization will come and help them na the Ogu Farm community. Me na Nandewa Toronka.
Alright, okay, from the Naksa Moniwala, now waiting there na floor now na Hotel Moniwala. Well, for no more, William Wise, get this.
Me na Joseph Tucker, me na one of the staff there waiting to for the place results now, Tucker Village. We all know because of this corona, business we don't go bad na the tourism industry. So the president, in his wisdom, when a visionary president say unnecessary for go lobby for we will be looking at the industry, at the hotel, guest house, restaurant. We've been done lost job, not because we do bad, but because of the pandemic, we've been done lost job. So the president, in his wisdom, will go lobby money for we come with them, give the Minister of Tourism and Culture for let give the people them who qualify for get this money. And the people that will qualify for get this money are the people them where the hotel where then they work for, then they pay tax, then they do everything where the government want for let them do. And we, the place results, we now one Pandel hotel there wait for benefit this money. It starts. So we then put on the last day when at the 18th. Now before days there be hotel call for this for the Western, both rural and urban. So we come on the Tuesday when at the 18th, we come, they call the place results, we all gather. But the names then will be them they call under the place results. Now names them way they know they work at the hotel, when are from other hotel. So raise the issue, we say, well, these names they are own they call, not to names the way they work at the hotel.
Alright, sorry for interrupt you.
Yes, sir.
During that time then they where did they do the registration of una name them? You know one person way them personally for register?
Yes, sir.
So
yes, sir.
Una always they work on where they talk on behalf of them, they all them be registered.
Now 81.
They register on
yes, sir. They register we, then send the list na the ministry confirm them, then go na NASIT, then go see if then they pay for we, then go na NRA, then go see if then the hotel been they pay all them taxes.
All they require when I meet them.
Yes, sir. Everything.
So from then and they to now, we are not able to get this money.
We are not able to get up to this moment as we talk to now.
So waiting them people them where they disburse this money tell you now.
Well, the people there, in fact, the funniest thing, they not ever come to wait until we say, now this reason I make here, we don't delay for giving them money. Because when we go there on the 18th, when I've been Tuesday, when at the last day for let them deal with Western, rural and urban, then tell you say, then self-admit saying that they don't do mistake, that the error are from them. Yeah. So then say, but then they go upline the following day, that the other day. So then go upline thinking that at least as they cancel, then we'll cancel to this thing. Some homes then they do not even get food now for what they call. And they get salary every other month. And they come from impulse. Now the president said, now you go lobby for this money for counter. Now we can get at least for cushion with problems then small.
Well, we'll go for with Voices of the Youth. We say the team go work on a Bam Road car wash. More seriously say we go this.
My name is Zichi Kamara, aka Time Bomb, car wash FBC.
Okay. Go take from Bule, almost here away, first of all, this car wash don't start now.
This car wash will launch on November 29, 2019. This November, we cancel 29, make this car wash 1 year. We up to 20-something.
First, was car work, we take a salary, boy work. Because just like what you me call it, we don't talk. First, they will be there, they take a series, and everybody they are over for Dubai, that. But what the government, this present government, take and say, yes, this work, this man, this is not about it. Then they try to make them able to employ themselves. So that they don't go rely on the government, they get no more.
Mohamed Sisse, when I come from this panel, they do not see, then say God thank you because you reach them, but there's no problem at the go we work normal. Then we see things common as this one, the no government talk and for because this and I call with the play with real medical, then the people all tell them they can say they can't doctor for me. And I know doctor, I know, I saw they go and place. The way go there they sleep, and they go to see this man, doctor to go.
We all youth man they all get now and I work with the work. With the work for let go living. I make you thank God no matter be okay make this was for we. And they the man and they work, they get a living. You know they for job nothing and I work where you can any hour where you can, you go meet the all concentrate for the work. Well, the thing they no more where they affect we. Now like when the season council, we they need of coats, gloves. Now that no more, we don't get no problem.
Yeah. Well, we can work 10 man for the book. For the day. 1 man came with us 8 bike per day. It's another 10 man. Yes.
So today we no be in our car. How you like video to now?
Depending. Right now, when the car best outside, car guide himself a block. One problem no dey.
Okay. Well, now we look at life now one section, now one small community in Susan's Bay. One follow on see this because we get one We man win Michael Bio. He go another area, so let's see how life turn like.
They live. Then look at people they pass. Look at small Pekin where they pass now so. Well, they get Pekin every small thing happen in mistake for not to die because of the people they pass. Look water, where water can die, it can bad of bad. People they live on the same side. Look water so they are you give help for help. They are people they are so not to say self na lingo. Now how many they live? Look the place. Look at the I think come on inside the room so.
They are not help we.
Look. Since self will go guide na so self he go make way na railing say they are big.
But me what she done so now? Nothing no dey. I get me picking there na so anything no dey. So we dey suffer too much. We are me and them check Ashila. 13 Susans Bay.
Okay. So if the government can help now, he make for na railing na so he make at least we not go for the game because I know for the moment. Like this see why they go because no one pass I don't can see this kind of thing. Me go to the people them. By God in power, we back pray we help they get railing.
Dan, Freeton.
All my one can't appear. Because look like that one day. Now you go ask for light, they ask government for help. You know, all that kind of thing and they.
You know what I admire? And if you picking just the person or yek.
For on the negotiation a devil.
Well, that the devil pass you go out to lawyer later. Anyway, we they go na Kailan Usai with the join with man Joseph Kenney as the degree update was waiting to happen that part the country.
The Ministry for Well-Body, governments of Salone, and other well-body partner them don officially open the special baby care unit inside Kailan district for the first time inside the history of Kailan well-body system, where it be dey talk about the project. The Director for Reproductive Health, Dr. Sati Kene, been get for talk say this project, then been get for start this project inside 2015 through the China-Africa Summit. Also, His Excellency Xi Jinping been get for announce the 6-100 with the aim for Africa country them for achieve the Sustainable Development Goal, and they be put special focus na Africa more inside maternal and child health. He say Salone the partner with other country them we make total of 8 country them. Talk say inside 2019 this project here then be approved. He say this project na 1-year project wey for start January, but because of the COVID-19, the government dey watch for make a extend inside the year. Wey e be dey talk about wetin they want for achieve. E talk say they want for reduce neonatal mortality. As e say, this na $1 million project with special focus inside Western Rural and Kailan districts. Talk say at the end of this project, they go want for say over 600 newborn already don't get service and safe. Talk say this project not only they look inside newborn, but also then they watch inside teen them way surround newborn. The district council chairman Salamin Temweso talk say the special baby care unit na new thing inside the history of Kailan well-body system. It talk say this na additional help to the people them inside Kailan district, but in the begs the Ministry for Well-Body and self in partner them for make the help for solar power system we go keep them machine there also for work proper one inside the district. Talk say this facility also wey na the special baby care unit not to Kailan districts no more get for enjoy this facility. Guinea and Liberia self as dem shape boundary with Kailan district. The Minister for Well-Body, Professor Alpha Uri, go before for talk say Kailan district well-body system major changes don't take place from 4 to 5 years to now. As e been go before, the minister and other partner them cut the tape as e been get for enter inside the special baby care unit room them and see how the machine then they work for Seka we use Kailan district. Me na Joseph Kenney.
Okay, as we dey observe International Day of Peace, students have been march for peace. Chile Williams got the story.
Hello, from Budemina Mohamed Abaskane, the National President for Academic Ambassadors for Peace and Sustainable Development. this 21st of September every year, UN South Africa they declare for as an international peace day. So that's what they try for Greece as peace and developmental organization.
So what does this mean for students then?
This day it not only means for students, youth at large, and also the nation worldwide, because it's a global celebration. Because UN South Africa countries come together for try to eliminate any chaos for promote peace as an agenda. So which why we also as peace and development for love celebrate and commemorate in the form of a peace march. They are this morning from National Stadium to Abadi.
Alright, whose college are you on a choose of Cameroon?
Well, as an organization, we cut across all universities in Sierra Leone. As for me, I'm from Kwabe College, so we get a barrage of ambassadors. We call ourselves ambassadors.
Alright, what's the
get Jala University, Limpopo, IAMTech, Unimac, Inimle, EBK University, these are all nice. New things. You know what? This country, we need to liberate yourself from any odd situation. This message is going for everyone. For all you liberate yourself from any odd mindset, you need to think as one. Think genuine as peace ambassadors. When especially we need because we can use for new things. So, brothers and sisters in Sierra Leone, I kindly appreciate that as an ambassador, and represent my institution for love that deviates from any form of violence. So this is the message I'm sending to all colleagues in Sierra Leone.
Well, as Danny be happy in Freetown, well, we go to Kenema, Safamoriba, Sef. Think them the way come out for this International Day of Peace.
The Assistant Inspector General of Police is Thomas Mohamed Lahai. Don't call on the security forces for let them continue the work in harmony with the general public. He has said the security forces then come out from the general public and now they for go back after their retirement. He made this statement while he be address the security forces and the general public now the peace card inside now the regional police headquarters na Kenema during the International Peace Day 2020 observation. He talks say the relationship between the youth and the security forces there now the Kenema district and the region is cordial as the police then therefore maintain and enforce the law. He talks say the relationship can always sour when the youth then can go in conflict with the law. He call on everybody for let them continue for maintain the peace in the region. Musa Ganga, where he come on from Mama Africa organization, when he be the talk, he assured the security forces say the youth in the region that they continue for upkeep the peace and that any issue where it therefore disturb the armed peace, they will ensure say that they communicate with the security forces so that peace will continue for prevail. They begin therefore plant flowers then where that they symbolize say peace for continue for prevail na this region. For where use, Mina Safamoriba na Kenema district.
From Kenema, we are for bringing our alleged illegal eviction. We go join Dominic JJ Talker.
My name is David Thomas Williams, Sadiq Kasseat, line 26. Well, this way to make a canna, I don't get the money for fet. I don't get the money for fet the person. And the person do me advantage. The person I name surely. We then had this OCR over years. My papa be the work for the mama. 26 railway line. Tell me papa can die, the mommy self can die. The small side when papa left the mommy left me papa. Now they the man don't begin stress we. And the man left for stress, we tell do advantage, but we tell we wolf, we go, we pull him. They say no, nothing they happen. How? And then a power, nothing they happen. The case they pass, me people there. Inside the place stay 1 year old picking, girl picking out 1 month and some weeks, baby they inside the where they pull the wolf, something come out, where they pull the wolf, damage her, the wolf self, where you go see how the wolf they don't pull out.
Okay.
Yes, we not get money.
Okay, so what you bring about the particular issue now for money business or now waiting?
Yes, na money business. He go meet me mama, say me mama for because me mama na lily business they do. They sell acheke. People where they around the place they know. They sell acheke. They go meet her say for lend her money. Me mama get for lend her 50,000. Go to me mama end up for pay and go back. Just imagine that lily business day when I will fall, don't miss self second picking me mama again, you small young baby now. Just imagine yes, go back to me mama for lend her 10,000. Mama say, hey boy, now this money now they use for kai cup me and my family. Mama I want it begin cost me mama, no kind mommy cost the way no cost me mama. And people and be there for witness. Who's got advantage this? No kind mommy cost the way no cost me mama.
Yeah.
Police go testify because right now me at one.
Okay, well, call you done.
Me at one. Sincerely, it cost me mama 9 time.
Okay.
That it slapped me 9 time. Public people and they I got witness system. It come inside me place. It trespass, damage me phone system, damage even the food war for it. But the police are kind of snap. They got the shots. I look at me picky okuru. Now I met me woman they left me. He go to other man them. I not do nothing. God puts me at down.
Okay.
The only word I tell him, I say, madam, you don't do your nyana me mama in property. I mean a big one, I mean me mama fena. I said, do you have tomorrow? Not sell ya. I even had them they beg me. I make last say, madam, they beg me. I say, but I don't want trouble. Not sell ya. The next morning, I can put table back. Before me own premises, so na me they down here. Now I go, I say, bo, yourself. I say, you don't cost me mama enough yesterday, I me picking me wife, they got me. I say, so I don't want them play by the day. I say, pull this thing. They agree. They picking they all come. Say, it's small baba where they call Martin. Say, mama left and give me that deal with her.
Alright, okay. Well, we'll go for a short break. We'll come back. We go bring on a message, then come to now.
Well, Fambo, these are some of our text and WhatsApp message we don't cancel the program so far. Well, I will start with this one. Bravo to Gentle Group and Ministry of Health for the good work. Timaya na Godrich na send this one. This one back say the man will die. May God sorry for him from Saudi to Nakalbaton. This one back say may the soul of that man rest in peace. This one back say may the soul of that young man who died under that bridge rest in peace. May sympathy to the rest of the family from Jamakat CEO, Academic Texas. This why I say, even though the eyewitness, they talk say, person they under a bridge, nobody not care for rescue him. Salon just in another planet. May God make the innocent man rest in peace. From Ansumana Nadwazak. This why I back say, what use do ya unate etsa make them can change report na Philip Streets? We don't report plenty time. Nobody no care. This why I back say, government lack maintenance, culture, and the people in the pass na the bridge, prominent people in the pass na the bridge. Then the one that we say they know they see the bridge where it crack for one Mr. Kamara na Gloucester, Mama Lane. This why I say, make them attend to the Okada man. He really need quick medical for mommy na side streets. This other I'm back say, the Okada rider need attention from one concerned citizen. This why I say, do your papa government Gida Okada rider support from Sori Hassan na IMAT. This why I say the issue of land grabbing done too much na the western area. Make them work all the illegal structure them and then clear from J Bayo na grafting. This one here, it come up from Lungi. Pastor Moses Seri. Let the soul of that young man rest in perfect peace. This one herself say, Dan Moss, do ya at the appeal to the government for me them watch inside the road business na Gloucester for Mr. Kamal na Gloucester Mama Lane. This one herself say, what use na God go bless una for the good work wey una dey do. This one herself say, what use una thinking for where una dey give the full news na the country. This one herself say, that school na Ogu Farm need serious attention and maintenance from the people na the community from artwork. This one herself say, make them attend to the Okada man and really need serious attention.
Alright, okay, thank you very much.
So, plenty messages don't come, but Dan and Wise will stop here for now.
Alright, thank you very much, Joanne. At least we also get plenty message them. But anyway, by the time we go there, we will bring.
I get one name, but I will call her to tell they come for the next
for
message.
the next one. Alright. Okay, well, one go on. We health corner quick. Let us see what's in daily.
Me na Jeremiah Farimano Kabo. I come on Gloucester. Then Okada be bang me since 2018. I don't try all way. I don't come do first operation. Now they say I need another operation back which cost 10 million. So this 10 million, I don't know who's out for start, I don't know who's out for biggie. That's how they talk so. I don't get whether they help me, I don't get papa, I don't get mama. So I beg to anybody who gets Soriat, the government, humanitarian partner there, whether they see me, whether they listen to me, I beg for help. The food in Brook, now smash is smash. So they don't do operation first. Now they say they all dislocate back. He don't come on a position where he been there. He don't come out there. So now I beg to anybody who gets Soriat, let burn me, let them help me. If not for that, I go die before me time. Because if I deal with this condition, all the time I think about her. I see me company, they grow up together, how they go up and down now. Now they so I die before me time. So do ya, I beg to anybody, let them burn me, and I get natty, and I hope no side. Now, past this interview, and I hope see I must get possible go burn me.
Well, we can join Cynthia Kamara now, who be day part of one book of condolence where they open for first time presentation manager and head of career unit at the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Service. Dennis Smith, as he be die 11 September this year, he be all 74 years. Well, make we see how he be look like now the family house.
The late Dennis Smith, born September 22nd, 1946. He attended St. Edward's Primary School, St. Helena Secondary School, and Methodist Boys High School. He first began work at CLC Bookshop. After that, he began work at SLBS. He go Egypt for go do advanced course in advanced radio programming and journalism. After that, he carry on for go learn na Ghana, China, and Romania. Late man na be active member na the All People's Congress APC and a former councillor of Freetown City Council. He served so na be first time board member na SM Broderick and Ebenezer Primary School them. He be all important position at Ebenezer Church and other group them. One in first time company workman where they all work na SLBS, Ajakari Johnson, talk long, but Dennis Smith waiting he do, we left na the SLBC and the journalism field. For Secretary Director General and Management of Salone Broadcasting Corporation SLBC and the then SLBS, the Director General for Human Resource SLBC, Lucian Ganda, talk about the late man, the mark where he left, saying a blueprint, and he talk but one thing where John Newton do, begun on belief. One member and family, Apostle Olubumi Sil McFoy, he talk but the late man, the role where he play, say na important role in family, where then go ever they miss him. And boy pikin, Daryl Smith, say in papa, na person we been afraid God. And he always they embrace people them, and our education is we put in foot down for a country.
One of the things we peculiar about me daddy, na person me like peace. Like how Auntie Ajami don't say, he's very loyal, honest, he's not selfish at all, and not like Usai Plabadi, like I say. Very friendly, always they crack jokes, like picking them. You know, Alexa not to young, we go take them as the young and try to bring them up in the way we instead we bring young picking them at the kind of person that they late papa may be.
Some of Dennis Smith in nickname them na Otogu, Lord Den, Goats the Sweats. The lesbian married with 7 picking them and 13 grand picking them. Make in soul rest in perfect peace. Well, that now, a tribute to the late Dennis Smith. Well, now be former boss actually during the SLBS period, Anyway, let God give him good. Now, one for bringing at this, the LUC in the Congo Cross, they don't meet you other way concern the community na Aberdeen. Well, we want for Brian Cantona.
I'm in the local unit commander Congo Cross Division. My name Harold Andrew Michael Charles Hansen. The whole idea for this meeting we get now the people and call we back, and in response we turn out for can talk about security matters, safety and security about this community. One of the things, the issues that we come back we'll discuss now about the dynamite blasting, and for this bridge, this Aberdeen bridge, so that we don't put things and measures in place for address the issues that they now about this dynamite blasting and sand mining.
All right, now what to see for say also don't bridge peace so far why the problem between chair lady for community and also LPP white representative.
Okay, that not be misunderstanding what we don't address her now. You get the LPPB and the community. So the LPPB executive different from the community executive where they be. But we don't put on to them now, and they don't know the different roles the way they play, and the people are all happy now. Well, we get the community relations department, where they do monitoring and evaluation of projects and programs them done at the community day. So, in terms of evaluation, we get regular meetings then, and we will address the problems and challenges then.
I'm chief part by Chicago for the people, Aberdeen Road community, chairman for committees of chiefs. We'll find a way refuse, we send it to the community election, now Congo Cross. And we're glad now that they work with the chiefs them very well. We're in a punishable offense. They call a public nuisance, but we cost our community with the deal with you.
Well, so you meet with the LC, why so we organized so far today?
Yes, I'm glad for the meeting. Then with all the stakeholders, then we come. And we said we will try to implement the law. But we don't talk to them for their int business because now they think they start. So man, they go see company begin pulling it against them. Okay. And all that thing and then now we try to put them to a stop.
Well, we go now Maboka Swiman Abdul Karim Kanu set for give you updates within the happen at that part day.
People in wait up along Beckley Street area inside Maboka don't continue for beg the authorities them for give facelift to them treat where them be abandoned long before now during the time where them be they make the road stem within Maboka. Some years back at the time where the Salini Construction Company be they do the road work na Maboka, them may start for build drainages them with the hope say then go end up for tar the Beckley Street area inside Maboka but later them be abandoned along the line for reasons then where people na the area not able for know. This don't make the Beckley Street area na Maboroka look difficult for waka, especially for motocar and people we go the waka day na net. One resident we tap na the area, Al Hassan Bangura, talk say they abandoned the streets for so many years and they not give no explanation to them why they abandoned this area, even when they don't start for do some drainage construction day. They go before for talk say long before now, some people be don't even sustain injuries out of the drainage them where they not being able for complete, and that except with them as young people be done they make efforts for make them go able for make the place look a little bit fine for waka. Alassane Bangura call on the authorities and we concerned for look inside the Beckley Street issue and find way for make them go able for complete them so that people we tap na the Beckley Street area na Maboroka go feel part of the township of Maboroka. Though within the township of Maboroka, major streets them don't tear them, but plenty other one than they, including Beckley Street, we need serious attention.
Alright, one being like this, the Bios Foundation will don't go to the school uniform them to some Pekin and I different school them in our Wellington community. Joy and Dumbuya send this report.
As way for complement government in effort and for help push the free quality education system go before na the country, one good that organization where they call Bios Foundation, where they for help Pekin youth and people them where they in need, don't go na Wellington community and help some Pekin them with school materials them. Mariama Conte, the executive assistant and community outreach officer na Salon, tell we why they decide for do this donation.
Bios International Foundation believes say all Pekin people there get rights to life. Then believe for give up to the one that we think say open all day. Will they motivate, will they educate people. That make we can the Wellington community. See therefore can supply their uniform here so to them Pekin and then vulnerable Pekin there where they not get no all.
It continue for say the donation timely and it tell we but the other plans them to vulnerable people them all about the country.
Yes, we get.
We get surprise for the person we want for can make una see back. That's just surprise back because today one per week and right now we in the studio with me celebrate one great thing. Let's watch out.
Go.
And enjoy a retirement. Don't they be me strictly for Enacit business because he wants that Enacit and he wants that benefit. And you know what? Nothing for come out there and God go give by the grace of God. Daniel Monsieur, your wife make this surprise birthday party for you. Now this thing may be the all this that's why we call it about complain. Not to complain, no. Now the party will be the arranged. But because we no go let you know, now I make a tell you say na complain in but no worry no more, don't talk. So not to any complaint, she wanted this birthday party to go this way.
Achieve this age, you know, and I can always provoke, of course, some of my colleagues. They say, "Who's them? Who are they retire?" Say, "Enough for chief age, really." But I tell God, thank you. I'm able to reach this age. If I could say the same way, after I don't 55, they go up, no, let's say 57, 58, they go up now 59 to 60. I come back and say, okay, I mean, difficult times. Then 10 a day. So I worry now, say, so for say, my nasty business we can't stop because all the time me worry that if you want to do this work, I say I want to be a retired person. So when I go retire, but I'm not still tired. So, but I want to tell God thank you. Then also, honestly speaking, I want to tell the Director General plenty thank you. I want to follow on a platform. It's Stand Farm. I appreciate SLBC generally for we are there so. Yeah, now.
Well, we not done it for celebrate so more day. But anyway, quick one, Joey, and go no get time. Yes, no go.
But do you then people then? We will continue this one. But do you then people in Susan's Bay? For sorry for themselves, make them go upline from Franksman na Kiostown. Happy and blessed birthday to my darling husband, that most lots of love and best wishes for continued good health and prosperity to celebrate many more years. Lots of love from across the bond. From your wife, Miss Seru Dan Moss na London. When aspect message on come, we will stop here for today.
Indeed.
We will read into our next program.
Indeed. All right. Madam Sayu Daniel Morsi. Anyway, the man is strong still.
Yes.
Patazin.
Yes.
All right. Not
tired, but not tired.
Indeed.
Anyway, well, I appreciate everybody, and I even appreciate because this is a surprise, you know. I don't know actually the plan, but I appreciate them.
Indeed.
All right. Well, until we meet back again on Wednesday, we will bring on more information. But I just want for showing that this key, somebody drop a bunch of key. We, of course, you go come identify now. Look like this now, Oski.
Oski.
You know. So you go down for him. Well, the producer na Lucian Ganda. Plenty thank you to all man we join on for this program. Mina Dan Mosi. The wish you a pleasant Monday. Bye bye.